The forward emergency braking (FEB) can assist the driver when there is a risk of a forward collision with the vehicle ahead in the traveling lane. A radar sensor located behind the lower grille of the front bumper measures the distance to the vehicle ahead in the same lane and operates at speeds above approximately 5 km per hour. If a risk of a forward collision is detected, the system provides a warning to the driver by a flashing indicator along with an audible alert. If the driver applies the brakes quickly after the warning and the system detects that there is still the possibility of a forward collision, the system will automatically increase the braking force. If the driver does not take action, the forward emergency braking system issues the second visual and audible warnings and also applies partial braking. If the risk of a collision becomes imminent, the system applies harder braking automatically. Perform the following steps to turn the system on or off. Press the setting button on the center display control panel. Select the driver assistance key. Select the forward emergency braking key and press to toggle the system on or off. When the forward emergency braking system is turned off, the warning light illuminates. The FEB and PFCW systems will be automatically turned on when the engine is restarted. If the radar sensor picks up interference from another radar source, making it important to detect the vehicle ahead, the forward emergency braking and predictive forward collision warning systems will automatically turn off, and this warning light will illuminate. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating information.